Hey Rush fam, welcome back to the channel. You know it's Rush, the Discover Boss, and we're here with another community drive. So we see Mullines Road right there. We're gonna take a drive through Moreton Park community and parts of Kasha Park community as well. So this is a small plaza right outside Moreton Park. What we have: chemical store, pharmacy, wholesale, restaurants, beauty salon, water store, auto store, church. So Moreton Park, that's the community drive we're doing today. Right outside of Mullines Road. You can enter from Kasha Park as well, and from Red Hills Road as well. So as usual, if you're familiar with the area, if you ever lived in this area, in this community, used to work here, just let me know in the comment section. Grab a seat, put on your seat belt, and let's take a drive. So this is Moreton Park Terrace. We're going to take the left and go into Moreton Park Avenue, which leads into a cul-de-sac. Not sure how many of you guys have ever been in these areas before. And as usual, guys, remember to like, remember to comment, remember to share, and remember to subscribe as well. Subscribing is completely free. That's the cheapest way to support the channel. And liking, subscribing, and everything else, commenting, helps the video to spread as well. So really appreciate it. So it's a community drive. That's what we're doing today. Touring this community, Moreton Park Avenue. And as I said, it leads into a cul-de-sac, so we're going to eventually turn and come back out. So since we're going to do that, I'm going to focus the camera mainly on the left side. And we're coming back out, we focus on the other side. Guys, leave your comments. Alright, so this is the dead end. So we're gonna make a U-turn. A little bit more on the left now. So again, thanks for clicking on this video. Thanks for the support. You guys always support. Really appreciate it. Been around this left turn before, so I'm going to take a quick swing around this left turn. It's probably another cul-de-sac, more than likely. It seems to be a quiet community, not too busy, not too noisy. Alright, so it is a cul-de-sac. try to get a U-turn. Moreton Park. That's MORETON. That's what we're covering today, and then we're heading into parts of Kasha Park. Again, if you used to live in this community or grew up in this community, just let me know in the comment section. So you have a few not townhomes, a few apartments, probably just one apartment complex I saw. The lots are good size. Houses look like 4 and 5 bedroom. Just based on my general knowledge of the real estate market in Kingston, I think some of these houses, if they're selling, would be probably anywhere from 25 mil. Probably even start at a 30 million going up, because house prices right now is crazy in Kingston. What I'll do 2 separate videos. I think I may do that. So I'll do one covering Moreton Park and then one for Kasha Park. So I think we'll do that. So this is Moreton Park. We're back on Moreton Park Terrace, and we just drove through Moreton Park Avenue. So again, thank you guys for your support. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you on another community drive. Okay, some of these roads very bad though, very bad. But see you guys on another video, and thanks for watching.